Okay, Ravenwolf fans, I am back after a brief absence with some amazing and exciting news. In this box is my first ever order of the completed She Is Supersaurus. So I'm kind of very excited but also very nervous to be opening this box with you all to get our first look at She Is Supersaurus. Oh my gosh. This is it. Unfortunately, subpar camera for this evening means that I'm struggling to focus in this light. But here it is. Here's your first look at the finished article. Wow, I'm so excited to see it in book form. Look out for my next video where I do a reading of the finished book.